Alright everyone, today we're going to show you how to log into your Revolut bank online account. So this is really handy because you can check your balance, track spending and even manage your cards from literally anywhere. So first, simply go to the official Revolut website. Then simply make sure it's the official website by checking the URL. And once you're there, simply look for the login button, which is usually going to be found at the top right corner. So once you find it, simply click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your phone number or email that's associated with your Revolut account. And after that, you then get a verification code sent to your phone or your email. So this is Revolut's way of keeping your account secure. So really make sure you don't skip this step. And after that, you then have to enter the code that you receive and boom, you're in. So from there, you'll then be able to view your balance, recent transactions and manage your cards. Or you can also set up payments if you want to. So it's really that straightforward. So logging into your Revolut account is pretty simple. So always remember to log out when you're done, especially if you're on a shared device, to keep your account secure. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.